Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to handle special numbers in R. So some of the special numbers here we are going to discuss is infinity, undefined, which is not a number, and then missing values. So we are going to check how our programming language handles these three cases. So first thing, what we're going to do is we're going to try and see the output of 1 divided by 0, and you will find that it returns with infinity value INF. Okay, if we try to do -1 divided by 0, then the output is again minus infinity. Then next step is to check how infinity plus, let's say, 5 is handled by the language interpreter. It returns with infinity. Now we can also check whether a number is finite or not using its finite. So let's say if I use 1 divided by 0 here, then it should return with false because the value is infinite. Similarly, we can check is infinite with each dot infinite function, and here if we use 1 divided by 0, it should return true. Now we will take a look at one more different type of special number, which is undefined, also known as NaN or not number. To check that, we will use INF divided by INF. So it will return with object not found. Similarly, we can check NaN with each NaN, and here we type in INF divided by INF, and it will return with object not found error. So basically, undefined number or NaN numbers are returned with error in your RGUI or RStudio. Now if I want to check whether a number is not a number or missing value, then we make use of is NA, and then we type in NA here and we get the error. Similarly, we type in is NA and 5, then it should return false. Okay, so when there is a condition for true, it will, instead of typing true, it will just throw an error. Okay, we can also check is NA and then NaN, and going to check whether it returns true, it returns true. And in this case, however, you'll find that it is not throwing error. Similarly, if you use NA and then simply use capital NA, and it will again return true instead of throwing the error. So missing values are handled with is.na function. Undefined will be handled by is.nan, and finite and infinite numbers can be checked with is.finite function for finite values, is.infinite function for infinite values. So this was a short introduction on how to handle such special numbers in our programming language.